Looking to upgrade your Shopify store's cart experience and increase your average order value? Meet Upcart Cart Thrower Cart Upsell. Upcart lets you build a fully customized on-front slide-out cart with powerful upselling and add-on features. It's not just visually seamless with your store, it's built to boost your sales and reduce cart abandonment. Here's what you can get. Add in cart upsells and cross-sells to encourage more purchases. Show a free shipping or discount bar to motivate higher cart values. Display cart announcement to share updates or brand messages. Offer add-ons like shipping, insurance, or bonus items. Plus a sticky cart button to keep the checkout flow is smooth and visible. When it comes to pricing, it's based on monthly order volume. 29.99 a month for up to 200 orders, 34.99 a month for 201 to 500 orders, 54.99 a month for 501 up to 1,000 orders. And each and every plan comes with a 14-day free trial. So you can test the full experience risk-free. And development partner stores, you get it all free. With over 1,052 reviews and a stellar 4.8 star rating, Upcart is trusted by thousands of sellers to turn their carts into conversion machines. And before you install, scroll down and click View Demo Store. It will take you inside a live store using Upcart. So you can preview exactly how the cart thrower upsells and features work in real time. Boost conversions, reduce abandonment, and give your customers a better cart, all with Upcart.